Alright, so according to the directions to the epoxy resin and hardener that we have, we need 3 ounces to cover 1 square foot. Our countertop is 15.5 square feet, so we mixed up 48 ounces, 24 ounces of each, and we're adding some silver flakes to it. The countertop that we're covering is a 3/4 inch MDF board, cut to size and mounted on top of some cabinets that we got from the Home Depot. I'm just taking a trowel and spreading it out. Got a little piece of tape all the way around the edge to keep it from running off, and after an hour or so we'll come back and remove the tape and let the epoxy pour over the edge. It should harden enough by that point to get a nice edge. After getting all the epoxy level on the countertop with the trowel with the 1/8" groove, we're taking our hands with some nitrile gloves and kind of patting it down, kind of getting a pattern created in the epoxy. And then the heat gun is for getting the bubbles out and kind of smoothing things over, kind of give it a glossy look. And then the flakes are going to settle down to the bottom of the epoxy as it dries, and it'll have a nice silver sheen to it. Alright, well, it's been about an hour. Let's check it out. Alright, we're going to pull the tape off and see if we can get that edge to look just right. that's it. Gotta let it dry for at least 24 hours. So we'll close the door and make sure there's no dust or anything going on in here. Just let it dry. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.